I am here in front of you to offer a toast for success. So Kuya, let us call all our very special guests.
To begin our toast of success, we would like to request everyone. Mr. Ray Villanueva, the President of Nueva Ecija Electric Cooperative. Mr. Kasagawa San, the CEO of Marubeni Petroleum. Governor Maribik Paras, Soroptimis International. District Governor Eric and Yoli Wicoco. And Dr. Nina Eduardo and family. From McDonald's Philippines, we have Ma'am Rebecca Roselada, Vice President Licensing of McDonald's Philippines.
Very successful grand opening day. Everybody say cheers! Woohoo! Yay! Congratulations, everyone.